Hey guys, Coty and Veal Performance. I'm the owner and engine calibrator. I am currently dynoing a 1997 Dodge Dakota. It's equipped with some Go Fast mods, 360 Mopar engine, fitted with a 4L80 transmission. It has twin 58mm turbos, tuned on 91 fuel with meth injection, non-intercooled, so that's pretty good for spool-up characteristics. It's got Mega Squirt, Micro Squirt ECU control and transmission, and a standalone Mega Squirt for the engine side. AFI big port heads, AFI intake manifold set, MSD ignition. It has aftermarket radiator setup, SD Concepts Engineering hot part kit, and they did most of the build on the East Coast. Great company to work with, by the way.
All right, ready? Yeah.
We've tuned a lot of Mega Squirt ECUs here. We were one of the pro tuners in Wisconsin for that company. I've been working on these ECUs many years. They're coveted as like the harder of the standalones out there, but once you learn their language, they're awesome. Their data log side is amazing. Mega Log Viewer works in tied really well with the Mega Squirt side for the Tuner Studio software. So yeah, like I said, I love tuning them. They have really good closed loop control. They're constantly improving their software and hardware packages, and they're an American company, which I love to support. So one other thing I wanted to show you guys is the meth injection setup on this thing. Pretty unique. It doesn't use a pump. It actually uses a pressure canister with shop air. So I'm going to segue into that. I'll show you guys how it's all set up. Here is the reservoir and the pressure tanks. So what you do is you run shop air to a Presto valve back of the truck, pressurize the whole closed system, and Mega Squirt controls the solenoid that's tapped into the charge pipe. So pretty neat setup, very simple. Never dealt with something like this before, so that was SD engineer had figured this out. So super cool, easy to tune, not a lot of things to go wrong. So yeah, something to think about in the meth game for sure. Numbers. We're at low boost on this thing, 8 pounds. Customer wanted to keep 91 on it at the lower boost, and I agree with him. We're making a conservative 705 horsepower and 690 foot-pounds of torque. Corrected values are 684 horsepower and 670 foot-pounds of torque. Again, at 8 pounds of boost, this thing is an animal. If you look at the dyno graph here, it's got a very high stalled converter on it, so you can kind of see a little spike initially. But we're getting full boost by 3,800 RPM. 12 to 15 pounds of boost, hopefully on MS 109 in the future. We're looking at upwards of 800, 850 horse easily on this application. So thanks again guys for watching the video. Like I mentioned earlier, we are a Mega Squirt pro tuner and dealer in the state of Wisconsin. Shoot us a message on Facebook, give us a call to see if these fit your application. Again, like I mentioned, these cover plug and play applications on BMW, Ford, GM, Nissan, Mazda. And these will work literally in any application, probably 4-stroke out there, seeing that is a standalone ECU. But yeah, drop a comment below guys, like, subscribe on our social media channels, and let us know what you want to see out there guys. Thanks again.